Hello guys, welcome to TechLearn. In this video, we are going to see some more formatting tags. What are formatting tags? The elements which style the text or the data on the web page are known as formatting tags. Let us open VS Code and see what are the different types of formatting tags and how they work. Let us create a new file in VS Code. I will name as formatting tags. Now let us create the boilerplate and give the title as second web page. Now let us create a paragraph and run it by using p tag. Now let us run. You can see it open in preview in VS Code. Now let us see strike tag. By using strike tag, we can strike an text. Now let us strike this welcome in the paragraph by using strike tag. Now you can see that welcome has been striked. Now I want to make this welcome into bold. We can make using b tag, which will bold the text. Now you can see the welcome has been bold. Now we can change the font and size of the paragraph using font tag. Font. Font has three attributes: the size and the color and the face. Face is known as it has fonts. Now let us change the size to 30. You can see the height of the text has been changed. Now let us change the color to red. Now let us change the font. Now let us try another font. Brush script empty. Brush script empty. You can see font has been changed. Now I want to underline the word hello. We can underline the word hello by using the tag U. You can see the word hello has been underlined. Now let us write another paragraph to see few more tags. Okay. Paragraph tag. A quick brown fox jump over lazy dog. Now let us see in the preview. You can see in the preview. For height purpose, I will write the font tag. Font tag. Font tag has size attribute. Let us change the height to 40. You can see. Now I want to make this jump into italic. I can do it by using a tag called I, which will convert the text into italic. Now you can see the jump has been turned into italic text. Now I want to break this text after brown. I can break it by using a tag called BR. Yeah, you can see. Now let us draw a line between the two lines. We can achieve it by using a tag called HR. It draws an horizontal line. It is known as horizontal ruler. Let us see in the preview. You can see the line has been drawn between a quick brown and the fox jump over the lazy dog. Now I want to write an equation in the mass x square plus y square equal to z square. We can achieve it by using a tag called superscript. Let us see. If I want to write an equation, x square plus y square is equals to z square, right? We have to use a superscript tag so that the 2 will be above the baseline. Control V. See that on every variable the 2 has on the above the baseline. For better visual, we use the font to increase the height. Size is equals to 30. Let me make it clear. We can also write the chemical equations like H2O, H2O by using a tag called subscript. Let us write an equation H2O by using H1 for better visual. H2O. Now I want to place these two below the baseline. We can do it by using a tag called subscript. Sub. Now you can see that the 2 has been below the baseline. Let us write an equation H2. H1. Subscript. In between subscript we write 2. Now let us see the pre-tag. When you write a paragraph, the space between the two hellos has been decreased. If you want to show exactly what you are writing in your HTML source code, you can use a tag called pre-tag. Let us write pre-tag. When you use a pre-tag, it will show what you have exactly written in the VS Code. It will also show the gaps, the spaces. When you want to write a code in the HTML, we can use a tag called code tag. It is used to define a piece of computer code. The content inside it is displayed in the browser, defaultly as monospace font. Let us write here addition of two numbers in Python using code tag. Okay, a is equals to, if we also use a pre-tag so that the spaces will be appeared exactly. Okay, using this, a equals to 2, b equals to 3, print a plus b, and let us, you can see here, let us open the browser. You can see it has been shown in monospace font. We will see further more tags in next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future tutorials. Stay tuned for more HTML tutorials and web development. See you in next video.